All right, how's it going, guys? So it is time to backlap this mower because it needs it really, really bad. They're dull. The bed knife's dull, everything's dull. It's pulling up grass. I noticed that yesterday when I was mowing. So I gotta get this thing straightened out. Make sure that it doesn't damage my putting green and all that hard work I put into it. So with that, let me show you how I'm gonna do it. Let's get at it. Alright, so whenever you're working on any kind of machine, just make sure you pull that spark plug first. I know I joke around sometimes about the PPE, but this actually needs to be done. Hold on, it's being kind of a pain. See if you guys can see this. Yeah, there she is. Alright, so it's off. There it is. Don't worry about my safety. I got it covered. Alright. Tip this guy over. No gas leaking. It's not full, so that's good. But look at how dirty that is. Maybe I've been a little bit neglectful. But whatever, let's do this. Whenever you're working on something and you're gonna be taking a whole bunch of bolts off and stuff like that, just make sure you got something, somewhere to put them, just so they're not scattered on the floor or you're not gonna lose them. So I'm just using this guy. Start taking this guy off. There's gonna be a lot of grease inside of that, so actually wear some gloves. I mean, unless you don't give a shit. But there she goes. Look at that. Now that's a greens mower. All right, so once you're actually inside, you just gotta get the quick connect off. There it is. See that or not? Alright, into the cup it goes. Then there should be another piece, which is an actual solid link. Just like that. And then, from the back side, the chain is now disconnected. Just like that, nothing too complicated. All right, now that we're all disconnected, I'm just gonna give this a test spin. Now the drill is in forward because that actually is backwards for the way that the reel normally spins, so just a little test. And we're golden. All right, so this is my backlapping compound. It's a 220 grit. That's what I'm using because that's what I have. So all I'm gonna do is take this brush and as it's spinning, just work it along back and forth. I should probably get some safety glasses on. I don't want to get hit in the face with this stuff. All right, so I got my safety glasses on, just so you know, I don't go blind. But let's give this another go now. Load up. I got a decent amount on there, but it's not spilling off. So the reel is moving much more freely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten up the bed knife and hit it again. So what I'm doing, this is how you do it on a John Deere greens mower 260B. So you loosen these guys up, and you give these guys a spin. doesn't take much. Might even be like 1/8 of an inch of a turn. Yeah, and that's already snug. All right, so I've gone over it 4 times now with tightening it down to the bed knife and backlapping. It's probably taken me 20 minutes so far, 25 minutes. But yeah, as you can see, those blades are looking pretty good. The wear on them is even all the way across, which means that I had good contact on both sides as I was doing it, so it's not lopsided. Nobody likes anything lopsided. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up the blades, and then I'll do a paper test and we'll see how it did. I got the blades all cleaned off. That's all the junk that came out of here. But it's looking good. Look at how shiny those blades are now. So what I'm gonna do is to show you the test. Now it has already been adjusted, but just so you guys can see the result, I should have shown you before how bad it was cutting. I didn't, I completely forgot. Usually when I get into a job, I just kind of go at it and get her done. That's what she said. All right, but anyways, I should have shown you that, but I didn't. I'm sorry, I forgot. However, the whole point of this video is to show you how clean it cuts. So, barely spinning, gone. Go to the middle, gone. Far side, gone. One more time. That might need to be slightly tweaked. Let me check the middle again. Yeah, no, it took it off. Good. 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 All right, guys, so that's all there is to it. So again, guys, don't be intimidated by backlapping your reel mower. If it's your first time doing it, just don't be scared of it. It's really easy, and I'm guessing that's why you clicked on this video. So I hope it did help you out. But yeah, it's simple. I use the 220 grit because that's what I had available, which means I do have to grind a little bit more because it doesn't tear off as much steel at the same time. But if you start with an 80, that's fine. You can just use an 80, or you can go 80, 120, 180, then 220, and work your way up if you want to get it tweaked, like dialed right in. But again, don't be afraid to do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel. I like to help you guys out and see results, comments, if it worked for you or not. And yeah, again, this has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.